Today I'll be doing a review of the Lego City Prisoner Transporter. It has 196 pieces. It's for ages 5 to 12. When I built it was very easy. It had 2 bags, 1 magazine. Well, this is the red four-wheeler I built in bag 1. This one was half built in bag 1, and then the rest of the half built in bag 2. But the people were all built in 1. I'll show you everything that opens on this police truck. Ding, 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 ding. The top opens, and the side opens, and it's easy to put back on. And the back door opens. This roof opens. And the side doors open.